My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is morning yoga focusing on your low back and opening your hips. Working your entire body, but focusing on those points. It's all body weight, no weights or machines needed at all. Make sure you smack that subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and let's go. I really thought I was going to say something else there at the end, something profound, but let's be profound with our movement. Starting in some active child's pose, we're going to press it back, releasing the spine, activating the hip flexors, and then inhale forward. One of my favorite moves for really getting movement, dynamic movement into the spine and the back, getting your body ready for the day. Your morning routine sets the tone for the entire day. So this is the one to do right here. Do my morning yogas. They will make you a beast throughout the day, mentally, physically, even spiritually. Stretch it back. If you like, you could drop the hips down, moving into a little bit of an up dog. And then lead with the tailbone back. Long, lean lines, lean muscles. Two more. Ooh, that feels good. My 50-year-old body loves these. It feels so right, so correct to be moving this way. All right, bring it up. Downward facing dog. Walk out the legs, a little twist if you like. Stretching the backs of the legs, the glutes, and of course your lower back. Your whole back gets a beautiful massage here. Relax the chin. It teaches you also how to relax your neck. The neck can hold so much tension throughout the day. It's the last thing to let go usually. So in this pose, we let it go. Move the head side to side. You'll know if you're looking ahead like this, you're putting all this pressure on the back of the neck. Let it release. It's okay. All right, right foot forward, drop that left knee. We have a low lunge to runner's lunge, slowly back and forth. Stretch it back and then forward. Hands are down for support. You can bring the knee a little bit ahead of the toes, that's okay. Stretch. Now, I've been doing these a long time. I am Coach Vigue. It's my job to be able to do what I teach. I just did a podcast about that. Like mentoring people who want to be fitness instructors and do videos. Well, make sure you can do what you are teaching. But I understand a lot of you might not be able to do this quite yet. Find your range of motion within it. It's there. It just takes practice, daily practice. Becomes very, very enjoyable once you get it into your system, into your soul, into your routine. All right, bring it forward. Reach that right arm up. We're going to slide it through it. Reach it up again. Open that lower back, open the sides. Smile at the sun. Smile right back at the sun. One more time, bring it up, pull it back, He-Man, that's right. Pulling back, now take your hand on this leg, press it out. Ooh, we got some hip action here. He-Man with the hip action. Ooh. Feel that separation. There it is. Sometimes cavitations, little adjustments happening in the body. All right, bring it back. Down dog. Shake it out. We're lean, we're mobile, we're flexible, we're strong, we're getting better every day. Take left foot forward, drop the right knee. And my friends, it is time for that low lunge to runner's lunge. Try it out. The beauty of doing both sides, right? Balance it out right here. Don't have to wait in any lines to do this. Don't have to make reservations, wait on people. You get here with your mat and you do it. We'll do it together. I got my Coach Vigue yoga mat here, which has held up really well because I film everywhere. I was on an active volcano yesterday. The less said about that, the better. Stretch it forward. Feel that hip flexor having a good time back there. It's releasing. As you come forward too, lift the upper body. I wasn't doing that as much, but there's, for every hinge down, you want to do a back bend to counteract it. Every reaction, there's a separate reaction. There's another reaction. So there we are. We hinge and we lift. One more time. Now we got the twist. Bring it through, open it up. Inhale, open, exhale, thread. 2 more, good times. Ooh, going out here now, I wasn't there before. Do some repetitions, it gets better each time, doesn't it? And now take your left hand to that left knee and let's push that hip out. Movement here, side to side. Always massaging. Oh, you're over there, sorry. Always massaging and moving that body. It is our duty to take care of what we have, polish it, strengthen it, for us, for those around us, for everybody. All right. Now, come on down. A seated, what I call a seated leg drops. We're going to take the feet right here, hands out. We're to the side. We inhale up. We drop to the other side. I do this one nightly. One of my favorites. Oh, yeah. Drop that knee down. Feel that stretch, rotation, loosening up the legs. If I ever open up my own school, it'd probably be called the School of Pliability. Being pliable, being malleable at any age. One more time. Shake out the legs, shake out the arms. Oh, yes, I feel good. I feel so good. So good to be here with you. We got a butterfly, hands on the feet. Let's draw circles. Wherever your knees are, that's where they are. To be or not to be. Do butterfly circles, right? With this movement, you're opening the hips. It's dynamic, which means ever flowing through your range of motion. I find it intoxicating. It feels amazing. Gets me back where I need to be. Other direction. Because I have the power, right? Who do you know that needs these stretches, my friends? We all know somebody. Some of us know probably 30 or 40 people. Friends, family, whoever it is. Coaches, teammates who need these. Make sure you share this video with them. It's accessible, that's how you say it, as possible. One more time. Circle, 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 circles. Woo-wee. Shake it out. Oh, right in the grass there. Okay. Side lunge. Leg out. Stay in the butterfly if this is not conducive. So we open up this hip. We're just going to hold this. Fingers can be down or work on your balance. A little bit of movement. I mean, you could take the arms up and then cactus arms. After I was just preaching about dynamic movement, challenge it. Your core has to stabilize, or this side lunge will go the way of the dodo. Inhale up, exhale down. One more time. You can always repeat these workouts twice, 3 times, 4 times. Other side, side lunge. The one that makes me always feel like I'm in the Avengers. You know, like, come on. I don't know if they say, come on. I don't have a script. They have scripts. Pick your poison, my friends. Let me tuck in my shirt here. I mean, we gotta be careful here. I'm gonna do 4 more of these. You're strong, you're focused, you're setting the tone for the day. It's very intentional. Open, cactus arms. Oh, that is the good stuff right there. Now turn, finish off, right leg forward. Oh, how did the pigeon get in there? Look at that, slide that left leg back. If you like, you could bend the leg. You could stay here, bring the forearm down, grab that foot. Each exhale, pull and twist. Gently, of course. They're all options. All options are on the table. But every one of them is going to give you something amazing right here. Oh, I love my pigeon. All right, switch sides. Made better with whatever that Chili's ripoff was. Here's our pigeon. Or forearm down, bend the leg. Hips and quads and low back, hip flexors, everything. But I aspire to work the whole body every time. No matter if we're focusing on certain areas, we're still getting a full body workout. Come out of it so much better than when we came in. Release, step it back, down dog, walk it out. Little twisting, twistage, little moonwalk. My son's favorite. All right, forward and down, cobra or up dog, just for a moment. Lift it up, counter that down dog with the head down with a beautiful back bend. Strong in the arms, stretching the quads. Oh, that's good. All right, my friends. Well done indeed. If you like this routine, let me know below, and don't forget to smack that subscribe button, click the thumbs up button, and always click the notification bell up there to never miss one of my workouts. You can train with me, Coach Vigue, anywhere, anytime. Don't keep these workouts a secret. Send it on to everybody you know. No waits, no reservations, nothing. We get down here and we do it right here, right now. But don't leave yet. I want you to check out this amazing gift right here. Hello again, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. I love that we're training together. I love it so much. I want to give you, as a gift, my most popular 30-minute yoga video ever. It's from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you got to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and it's yours. Go get it right now.